Hey y'all, it's your girl Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the March 2022 VillaBeauTIFFul subscription titled Belltown. Y'all, this kit got a little delayed, but it's finally here and I'm excited. Even more so excited because this kit features silver foil. And if you are new here to my channel, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. Thank you for clicking on the channel so you can check out, see what I'm talking about today. But if you're an OG, you know I'm not a fan of silver foil at all. Fan of silver, period. So we're just gonna go into this with our eyes open, okay? First thing is our two washi tapes. And y'all, this looks unbelievable on the roll. Let's move these lights around. There we go. This looks unbelievable. This is a clear tape. Let me go ahead and unroll it for y'all because we have to see this. There we go. So it does have a cloudy gray background, but as you can see, it's transparent. And it has these florals here with the silver foil on it. And it's pretty, I'm not gonna lie. Again, not a fan of silver. It's a pretty washi tape. So there's that. So that's the first roll. And then we have this second roll of raindrops on a gray background with the different colors with the silver raindrops. So these are our two rolls of washi this month. Definitely gonna keep these. For those of you that are OGs here, you know that with kits and items that I don't really love, I will unbox them for you here and then typically go ahead and list them on Mercari, but we're not doing that this month. The next item is this pouch. It does have the silver vegan leather edges with the silver hardware. Open it up so you can get an idea how big this is. I can get majority of my hand in. So that is this month's pouch. It does have a D-ring here on the side. Put your cute little dangle or keychain on there. Next up, we have said keychain. So let's get this open. Matches perfectly too. It would be really pretty on this. So we're gonna see. So we've got the silver vegan leather handle. It does have the VB logo, and we have a rainy cloud charm on here, and it's super cute. And y'all, the raindrops have glitter. Look at that, y'all. Super pretty. So the cloud is of pearlescent. And we've got a ring here. Boom and boom. Cute, cute. That is pretty cute. Might keep that one for myself. Let's put that away, y'all, because as rough as it is up here on my desk is the ghetto, okay? Oh, we got three rolls of washi. Okay, I missed that one. Let's get this open. We got 3 rolls of washi, y'all. Look at VillaBeauTIFFul doing big things. So this additional roll of washi looks like it's 7.5. It's not quite 5 millimeters. And very cute. I love the colors. The silver does go very nice with it. It's got this teal background with the silver stripes. So that's the third roll of washi. And then we got some sticky notes, y'all. Sticky note set. The top sticky note says to do, and the bottom one says rain check, and has an area for you to check off a to-do list. So these are 3x3 sticky notes, very cute, and that's our sticky note set. Next item, we got some stickers, and it says VSP edition, not sure. Anyway, I'm sure they fit just fine in the sticker albums that were released a while back. So the first sheet is sheet 7. They're never in order, but these are clear stickers. It says Reserve VB Kit, new release. We've got this month's pen, and then we got Tiffy Tuesday. This is sheet 5. We got mini shapes that match this month's kit. Sheet 4 is Wildflowers. We've got all the flowers here. Sheet 3 is Houses. That's cute, y'all. I like that. Sheet 2 is Trees. Sheet 8 is Tasks. We've just got a bunch of random tasks: work, home, clean, call, delivery, relax, day off, AM to do, clean. Sheet 6 is Half Circles. You have things like make your move, a little reminder, stay at home, get it done. And sheet 1, we've got Splashes. All of the colors from this month's kit. So we have 8 sheets of stickers here. Next up, I'm trying to slide out here. We've got some adhesive pockets, y'all. That's a big one back there. So we've got this really big one that says important things, and it is a corner pocket. And then we've got this smaller one that's also a corner pocket that just has the silver floral on there. So these are our adhesive pockets this month. Next, let's go through this month's sticker book. So we've got Belltown. That is the name of this month's kit. It is for March 2022. Let's go through this thing. I'm loving this teal color up here. So our first page are full boxes. It says rain come any day, rain. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. This one says start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. Rain showers my spirit and waters my soul, one day at a time. So we have my plans to do now, hello today. We've got some icons down here, some boxes, and some half circles. We've got full boxes. This one says all the plans and has a checklist. This one says memo, important down the side, write it down. And then we've got some half boxes, quarter boxes, and the squovels. Next, we've got our headers up here to do reminder, personal. We've got some smaller headers today, appointment, priority, notes. We've got some scalloped headers, some pills. I call them pills. They are rounded boxes. We've got some double wide quarter boxes, focus and notes. Next, we have our habit tracker. 2 of these, they just look different. We've got 2 sets of date covers, some mini checklists, and these are mini strips of washi over here, and some mini flags. One thing I love about VillaBeauTIFFul sticker books is that you're gonna get stuff sized for pretty much any planner. The front, you've got these full boxes that would fit in a classic happy planner, and then you've got this page here that gives you the mini stuff. So we've got 2 double boxes, 3 pay bill stickers, and some flags, and some small hexagons. And then this last, is this the last sheet? It's not the last sheet. This next sheet is a clear, these are clear shapes. And then this last sheet is our, not the last sheet, got me again. This is another clear sheet. These are deco stickers on clear paper, y'all. Super, super cute. I'm loving the house. And then this last sheet, be sure, I'm sure this time, is clear paper as well. We've got things to do. Don't forget, bright ideas, my plans, out and about, rain, rain, come and play, more coffee please, day off, start somewhere today, trust the journey, chase your dreams, living my best life and good times ahead. So this is the sticker book, the 10-page sticker book this month. Last but not least, we have this month's pen. Awesome, awesome. Let me get it open and let's not cut ourselves trying to get into it, because y'all know I'm good for that. So this month's pen is a cloudy gray paint. It does have the glitter glossy paint. We've got black hardware, and then inside we've got blue charcoal and teal crystals. Let's see if we can get a good angle where y'all can see that. Super pretty. So this is this month's pen, titled Belltown. The pen is always named after the kit. So let's do a roundup. We've got a sticker book, adhesive pockets, sticky notes, sticker set. We've got our keychain wristlet. We've got our pouch. We've got 3 rolls of washi, the pen, and the pen refill. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.